Welcome to another video of What I Do, and I am Zara. This video is continued in English. If you want to watch this video in Malayalam, you can check the description box below for the link. Today I am here with a sweet dish, that is bread pudding. To make this bread pudding, you don't have to use gelatin or china grass. And you can see the texture of this pudding here. It is really superb, so you can try this, and you don't have to buy any extra ingredients to your kitchen for making this recipe. So let's see how to make it. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. So our first step for this pudding is making caramelized sugar. For that, take a pan and add 4 tablespoons of sugar. We will keep the flame in medium to low, and we'll allow the sugar to melt. Now you can see it is melting. Now almost the sugar is melted. You can use a spatula and mix it well, and you can see the sugar is completely dissolved. And when it is dark brown in color, you can off the flame. Now it is dark brown in color, you can off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of water. It should be hot water, and beware that it should not splatter at your hands. On the flame and mix it well. When the consistency of the caramelized sugar is getting thicker, we can off the flame. So now our caramelized sugar is ready, we can off the flame. Take a bowl in which you are making the pudding. To that, add the hot caramelized sugar. This bowl which I took is heat resistant, so you should take care about one thing, that you can try this any vessels, like you can also try this in small teacups, but it should be heat resistant. Even you can do this in egg tin. Here we are pouring the hot caramelized sugar and making a base layer in this bowl. So the caramelized sugar layer is ready. We have to set this layer. For that, we can keep this aside in room temperature. For our next step, take a blender. We'll add eggs. Here I am adding 3 small sized eggs. You can add 2 eggs if your eggs are larger. And add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can customize the sugar according to your taste. Then 1.5 cup of milk, which is at room temperature. Next, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and we will blend all together to a batter. So the batter is ready. To that, our next ingredient is bread. So here I took around 5 slices of white bread. I'm cutting the borders of the bread and making it into small pieces and adding that to this batter. So this is our total ingredients. Now we can blend this well and make a loose batter. So here is the batter. Now we will take the bowl. Here the caramelized sugar is set. Above that, we will pour this batter. Here we pour the batter and the bowl is ready. We are cooking this pudding in steam. For that, I am taking a saucepan. You can either use a pressure cooker or any other vessel. So in this saucepan, I am adding some water and boiling it, and keep a plate or wire rack like this and place the bowl above it. You should be careful while keeping the bowl. Just off the flame before keeping the bowl, or else the steam will burn your hands. Now we can close it with a lid and cook for 40 minutes. Here I kept for 40 minutes in medium to low flame, but it will completely depend upon the size of the vessel which you are using and also with your flame, so please take care about that. Here 40 minutes is over. Now we can open and see. Okay, you can see here our pudding is done. You can see it is so fluffy. After it is cooled down, there will be a slight change in the color, and our pudding is ready here. Now after cooling, you can see the colors changed a bit. It is light yellow in color, and here you can see 2 different layers. Down you can see the caramelized sugar layer. So let's flip it over to a plate. is our bread pudding topped with caramelized sugar layer, and I'll show you the texture of the pudding here. You can see the texture is superb and it is so easy to make. You don't have to go for any extra ingredients for your kitchen. So do try this easy recipe and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe by pressing the red button below, and don't forget to press the bell icon adjacent to it so that you will get the notification as soon as I upload the video. So thank you so much and have a nice day.